Let me ask you something funny. Have you ever looked at a millionaire and thought, wow, must be nice to have all that money? Then you check your own bank account, and it's like $17 and some change. And you think, well, guess I'm not cut out for that life. Here's the truth. A millionaire isn't made by money. They're made by grit, by refusing to quit when it's hard. Because let's be honest, money doesn't just fall from the sky. If it did, we'd all be rich, sitting on the porch drinking sweet tea, watching $100 bills rain down like confetti. But that's not how it works. What really builds a millionaire isn't the cash, it's the mindset. It's the nights you want to sleep, but you keep grinding. The days you want to quit, but you don't. It's choosing to show up when life keeps knocking you down. That's the secret. Not magic. Not luck. Persistence. And here's the part nobody tells you. It's supposed to be hard. That's the filter. Most people give up when it gets tough. That's why success looks rare. It's not rare, it's just that most people quit too soon. The ones who keep swinging, who keep fighting, who keep going even when it hurts. Those are the ones who rise. Think about it. Every great success story you've ever heard, same pattern. They failed. They got rejected. They were laughed at. But they kept going. They refused to quit. And that decision, not quitting, is what made them. So, the next time life gets tough and you feel like giving up, remember this. A millionaire isn't made by money, but by refusing to quit when it's hard. Your story isn't finished yet. Keep pushing, keep working, and one day you'll thank yourself for not stopping. If this gave you the push you needed, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it today. Because together, we don't quit.